Welcome to first PU online classes. Here today we will discuss the here energy, new concept that is called as a energy. What is the meaning of the energy? Energy means capacity to do work. The energy of your body can be defined as a capacity to do work. Capacity to do work is called as a energy. Right? Here, this is a energy nothing but what is the capacity to do work. That's the reason the energy also having the same units of the work. So, first of all, what is the MKS unit? What is the MKS unit of the energy? That is MKS unit can be defined as a joule. Now another CGS unit can be defined as a erg. This is a MKS unit. This is a what is the CGS unit? Now it is a which quantity? Energy is a scalar quantity. Similarly, working how scalar quantity is there. Similarly, energy also scalar quantity. Now another small units is there for the energy. That is taken as an electron volt. 1 electron volt is a small unit. This is a small unit of the energy. Small unit taken as an electron volt. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19. Yeah, this is a 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 joules. This is a value. Now another way, here this is the energy we are expressing. Another unit also is there, that is a calorie. This is we are using here for measuring the heat energy. Now that is taken as a 4.2 joules. Right. Once again listen here. Energy means capacity to do work. Now this is a scalar quantity. The MKS unit is it is same unit and dimensional formula of the work. Here MKS unit is a joule and CGS unit is a erg. Now this is a scalar quantity. Now what are the, it is having the small units. Here that is taken as electron volt. That 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 joules and 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. Right. Next we will discuss here what is here. We will discuss what is here. Here different forms of the energy. What are the different forms of the energy is there? We will discuss here. Next we will discuss the different forms of energy. Different forms of energy. What are the different forms of the energy? Right. Here first one is taken as a heat energy. Second one is taken as a chemical energy. Third one is taken as a mechanical energy. There are different forms of heat energy is coming in the what is here. This is the thermodynamics heat chapter. Now chemical energy it is coming in the chemical reactions in the chemistry. Next mechanical energy. Now that is the mechanical energy we will discuss here. Next another one is the electrical energy. This is produced by the electric current. You know that in the generally these all are we are using in the daily lives. Next one is a nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is produced in the nuclear reactors. This is called as a different forms of the energy. Here daily life what are the forms of the energy is there? One is called as a heat energy, second one is called as a chemical energy, third one is called as a mechanical energy, fourth one is called as electrical energy and fifth one is called as a nuclear energy. These are the different forms of the energy. Right? Next we will discuss what are the mechanical energy. Mainly just we are discuss about different forms of the energy. Mainly in this chapter we are discussing about the mechanical energy. Mainly we are discussing the mechanical energy. what is the meaning of the mechanical energy? Mechanical energy means energy possessed here, that is the energy possessed by the body. Energy possessed by the body. Now what is here? Energy possessed by a body by virtue of or due to, we can anyway we can say that due to. Here what is here? Its position or here position, shape, configuration or motion. Energy possessed by the body by virtue of its position, shape, configuration or motion. Means the energy here possessed by the body due to or because of position, its position, due to its position or due to its shape or due to its configuration or due to its motion, that energy is called as a mechanical energy. Here generally mechanical energies we are defining, generally we are saying that two types mechanical energies. One is called as a, here what is here? Kinetic energy. First one is called as a kinetic energy. Second one is called as a potential energy. Potential energy. That these are the two types of the, here what is their energies is a, first one is called as a kinetic energy, second one is called as a potential energy. Right, we will discuss one by one clearly. Here what is here? First generally I am saying the definition, we will discuss later. Here clear about the, here both the energies, kinetic energy and potential energy. First, what is the kinetic energy? Same, energy possessed by the body by virtue of its motion, due to its motion. When the body is in the motion, it is having the which energy? Kinetic energy. Right, next one is the potential energy. Potential energy means the energy possessed by the body by virtue of position or shape or configuration. Here position and shape and configuration. Here due to the position and shape and configuration, the energy possessed by the body is called as a potential energy. The energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called as a which energy? Or kinetic energy. Right, and the vehicle is moving on the road, means that is the example for the what is here? Kinetic energy. Potential energy example is what is here? Suppose we kept the what is here? Book on the table. Here due to its position, it is having the potential energy. Suppose here what is the aeroplane is, here what is here? This is suppose the aeroplane is traveling in the sky, in the above the earth the aeroplane is moving. Means aeroplane is traveling, it is having the how many energies? It is having the two energies. Because of it is above from the ground, so that's the reason it is having the potential energy. It is in the motion, it is having the kinetic energy. Means the motion of the aeroplane is having the two energies, that is having the kinetic energy and potential energy. These are the different examples we are using in the daily life. Right, these are the, here what is here? Different example for kinetic energy and potential energy. Now we will discuss clear about the kinetic energy and what is the expression for the kinetic energy, that derivation also we make here. Now next we will discuss kinetic energy. Here what is kinetic energy? Right, yeah, it is generally called as a kid. We are writing like this. Kinetic energy definition, already we know that the energy here possessed by a body, energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion, by virtue of its motion is called which energy? Kinetic energy. This is we are writing. Right, general expression we are writing kinetic energy. and we make the derivation also. Just first of all I am writing expression, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, or simply you can write k also, k equal to half mv square. This is the expression for the kinetic energy. Here m is called as a mass of the body, m is called as a mass of the body, and v is called as a velocity of the body. V is called as a velocity of the body. This is the expression for the kinetic energy. Here m is called as a mass of the body, v is called as what is here? Velocity of the body. Now what are the examples of the here kinetic energy? A bullet is here. For next two we are discussing the examples. First one, a bullet is fired from the gun. This is the first example. A bullet is fired from the gun. Second example, a vehicle moving on the road. A vehicle moving on the road. It is in the motion. A bullet is fired from the gun also means a bullet also in the motion. It is also motion means the bullet is having the kinetic energy. A vehicle is moving on the road means here what is there? It is in the motion. Here that is a vehicle also. Here what is here? Vehicle also having the which energy here? Here this is the kinetic energy. Next what is here? This is another example. Third example is what is here? Flow of water. Flow of water. Water also in the motion. So it is also having the which energy here? Kinetic energy. These are all examples for the what is here? Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called as a kinetic energy. Kinetic energy general expression is half mv square. Simply you can write k equal to half mv square. Here m is called as the mass of the body, v is called as the velocity of the body. What are the examples here? A bullet is fired from the gun. This is the first example. Means the bullet is in the motion, it is having the kinetic energy. A vehicle is moving on the road, means the vehicle is in motion, it is having the kinetic energy. Flow of water means water also in the motion, it is having the kinetic energy. These are the different here examples for the kinetic energy. Right, we will discuss. Next we will discuss what is the relation between kinetic energy and momentum of the body. They are very, very important. For the competitive examinations also this relation is important here, and theory exam also important that relation. Right, here relation between kinetic energy and momentum of the body. Relation between kinetic energy and momentum. Momentum means linear momentum. Momentum of the body. Momentum of the body. This is the relation between the, here we find the relation between the what is the kinetic energy and momentum of the body. Momentum nothing but a linear. Right, listen. Kinetic energy generally we are writing half mv square. You know that this formula. Right? Here in this formula, the numerator and denominator I am multiplying with mv square into m by m. Right? Clear it is. Now what is that? There is no change in the value. M cancel. Same we are getting here. Now kinetic energy is equal to half m square v square by m. M square v square by m into m square v square by m. Right? This is the m I am writing. Now from this. Here kinetic energy is equal to half into m square v square means mass into velocity whole square by m into v square by m. Now kinetic energy is equal to half into mass into velocity. Mass into velocity is called as a momentum. You know that here momentum is equal to formula mass into velocity. Here is already we have discussed linear momentum. Linear momentum is equal to mass into velocity. So in the place of the mv I am writing as a p here. Here p square by m. Clear it is. Now here kinetic energy is equal to P square by 2m. Here kinetic energy is equal to P square by 2m. This is the one relation in between the kinetic energy and momentum of the body. Next, another way we can write here. This is I am writing like this also. I am showing here. This is the one relation. Here I am writing that another relation. Here I am writing. Now this is I am writing here. This is a momentum. Mass into velocity. Now what is I am writing another way? Kinetic energy is equal to P square by 2m. This is kinetic energy in terms of the momentum. Now we are writing momentum in terms of the kinetic energy. So P square is equal to multiply this one 2mk cross multiplication. Right? Now what is we are getting here? P is equal to under root of 2mk. Here this is a momentum in terms of the kinetic energy. Here this is kinetic energy in terms of the momentum. Right? When the momentum is given, kinetic energy asking means use this formula. Here mass also given. When mass and momentum is given, kinetic energy asking means we use this formula. When the mass and kinetic energy given, momentum is asking means we use this formula. Right? This is here what is the relation between kinetic energy and momentum of the body. Next here we will discuss the next we will discuss here expression for kinetic energy. Expression for kinetic energy. What is the expression for kinetic energy? Now we find the expression for the kinetic energy. This is called as a derivation. Derivation of kinetic energy. Right? Clear? Listen here. This is a block of mass m. Initially it is at rest position. Here it is at the rest position means its initial velocity is 0. Right? Clear? On this block I am applying the force F. Now this block displaces through a distance in the direction of the force. That is I am considered as a S. Here center to center I am taken. This is S. Now this is here displaces through a certain distance S. It is what is here? It acquires the acceleration A. Acquires the acceleration means it is having the velocity. So its final velocity is V. Alright? Once again listen here. A block of mass M. On this block of mass I am applying the force F. Initially it is at the rest position. Means its initial velocity is 0. When applying the force it displaces through a distance S in the direction of the force. Now it acquires the acceleration A. Acceleration A means it is having the velocity is V. Acceleration is there means it is having the velocity. Here change in the velocity is called as acceleration. Means it is having the final velocity and considered as the V. Initial velocity is U. Final velocity is V. It acquires the acceleration is A. Here we know that according to according to Newton's second law. According to Newton's second law, what we know that here F is equal to ma. This is we are writing as equation number 1. Now from kinematics equation or from equation of motion, we know that V is equal to U plus Dt, S is equal to Ut plus half At square. Here V square minus U square is equal to 2As. Here Sn is equal to U plus A into N minus half. These are called as equations of motion. Here from kinematic, that is called as a kinematic equations. From kinematic equation, I am using as a third equation, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Clear it is? Now its final velocity is v, initial velocity is 0. So I am substituting that values. I am substituting that values in this equation. Now final velocity v as usual. Initial velocity is 0. 0 square is equal to 2a. Displaces weight distance s. Yes, I am right. Now what is we are getting here? V square is equal to 2as. From this we find the a value. Here find this a value, we have to find here a is equal to, here this is a, here a is equal to what we have to write here, v square by 2as, taking this side. Right, clear? Now this is a, here v square is equal to 2as means 2as is equal to v square, and this a is equal to v square by 2as. We write like this. Here a is equal to v square by 2as we are writing. This is given to the equation number 2. Now what is here? Equation 2, substitute in equation 1, we get, we substitute in equation 1. Now what is we are getting here? This is a, here from this, here this is a, or we can write like this here. Next to, here first we find the what is here, force. From this we find the work done. Here equation 2, substituting equation 1. Here what is getting here? F is equal to m into v square by 2s. V square by 2s. In the place of the a, I am writing v square by 2s. Equation 2 substituting in equation 1. So what is we are getting here? M v square by 2s. Clear. Now from this we find the work done. How to find the work done here? Work done by the force. Work done by the force I am writing here. Work done by the force is equal to W is equal to F into S. Cos theta, generally we have to write Fs cos theta. But I am not writing the cos theta. Why I am not writing the cos theta means force and displacement both are in the same direction. Or you can write here also cos theta. Here W is equal to F S cos 0. Force and displacement both are in the same direction. So W is equal to F into S into this value is equal to 1 means here this value we are getting Fs. Because cos 0 value is equal to 1, we are getting as a Fs. So W is equal to F into S. This is given to equation number, here what is it? This is given to equation number 3. Now this is given to equation number 4. Clear? Right, that is equation number 4. W is equal to F into S, that is we are getting the equation number 4. This is I am given as equation number 3. Now I am making now here next to equation 3, substitute in equation 4, we get what we are getting here. W is equal to F. F is equal to, already we know that from equation 3, that is mv square by 2s into, that is the s. Here s is cancelled. Now W is equal to mv square by 2. This work done is stored in the form of the kinetic energy. Here this work done is stored in the form of kinetic energy. This is stored in the form of kinetic energy. So from this I am writing as a, what is the kinetic energy expression? Kinetic energy expression is equal to what we are getting here, mv square by 2, or generally we are written as half mv square. This is the expression for your final expression for the what is here, kinetic energy. First of all, I am taken as a what is here, body at rest position. Its initial velocity is 0. When applying the force, it displaces in the direction of the force. It accelerates, means it gains the final velocity v. So we are using the kinematic equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Here v square, here initial velocity is 0 because first of all the body at rest position. 0 square is equal to 2as. So v square is equal to 2as we are getting here. Here from this a is equal to v square by 2as from this equation. This equation 2 I am substituting in equation 1. Equation 1 is F equal to ma is there. This is F equal to ma, already we are given equation number 1. In this equation we are substituting the a value. What is we are getting? F is equal to m into a value is v square by 2s. So what is we are getting here? mv square by 2s. So here this is we are getting the force. Here this work done by this force we have to find here. Here W is equal to Fs cos theta. W is equal to Fs cos 0 I am writing because when force applying in the which direction, in the same direction body will be displaces. Means F and S are both are in the same direction, so cos 0. Now W is equal to Fs into cos 0 value 1 is equal to Fs. Now W is equal to Fs, this is given by equation number 4. Now that equation 3 is there, this is a force. This is substituting in equation 4. Now what is we are getting? Work done is equal to mv square by 2s into s. Here s is cancelled. Here W is equal to mv square by 2. This work done is stored in the form of which energy? Kinetic energy. So kinetic energy can be written as this work done is called as a kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is equal to mv square by 2, or this is called as a half mv square. Right. This is here what is here expression for the which energy here? Kinetic energy. Okay. Remaining we will discuss in the next class.